Good evening from New York. I'm Chris Hayes. We've got some big news at this hour. The Supreme Court has unanimously ruled against the Trump administration in a case regarding a Maryland man that the administration wrongfully arrested and deported to an El Salvador mega prison last month. His name is Kilmar Abrego Garcia. We had his lawyer on the program just this week. Just over a week ago, the White House admitted in court that Garcia's deportation was a result of an administrative error. Because, you see, back in 2019, Donald Trump was president during that time, you might imagine, he got protected immigration status, which meant he had an active order that he could not be removed or deported. And yet, he was rounded up by the Trump administration anyway, and after they admitted to it in court, they refused to do anything about it. Basically, their stance was, whoopsie, we made an oopsie, he's in an El Salvador supermax, you'll never hear from him again, what do you want from us? Well, just about 2 hours ago, the Supreme Court weighed in unanimously. They now say that a district court, which previously ruled in this case, can indeed instruct the Trump administration to facilitate Garcia's return home. It will not be immediate, but the court says the White House has to start taking those steps. Now, because he's not in U.S. custody, he's in the custody of a foreign government, El Salvador, there's still a lot of open questions here. But fundamentally, the core issue in this and related litigation swirling around this maneuver the Trump administration has taken has been this. Can a president use the dubious invocation of a 200-year-old law, the Alien Enemies Act, which has only been used previously in wartime, to justify basically snatching anyone off the streets and then quickly shipping them off to a foreign prison where they will never be heard from again with zero due process? None. Now, to my mind, and the minds of, I think, many legal observers, the answer to that question has always been flatly no. If the Constitution protects against anything, it protects against that. But it has been a matter of whether or not this 6-3 conservative Supreme Court would acknowledge that reality. Well, that's why tonight's such a big deal. Today's decision from the court is, at the very least, an indication that at a baseline they will, and it is very, very striking. There were no dissents here. The administration did not even get Clarence Thomas or Samuel Alito or Neil Gorsuch on their side writing in their defense. So to put it lightly, that is not very common from this court when it comes to high